Welcome back to Bike Plus, your go-to destination for the latest in automobiles, bikes, and all things on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of India's most iconic and nostalgic vehicles, the Maruti Suzuki Omni. But this isn't just a look back. The Omni is making a comeback in 2025 with a brand new avatar, and it's turning heads all over again. A legacy returns. Originally launched in 1984, the Maruti Suzuki Omni became a household name across India. Known for its compact size, affordability, and multi-utility nature, it served as a family van, ambulance, delivery vehicle, and even a school transport. The 2025 edition retains this multi-purpose spirit while embracing modern design, enhanced safety, and better technology. Modern design, classic shape. The 2025 Omni stays true to its classic boxy shape but adds a sleeker front fascia, LED headlamps, and sharper lines. It now sits on a sturdier frame with better ground clearance and more aerodynamic styling. Despite the changes, it still evokes the nostalgic charm that made it a legend on Indian roads. Interior and features. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly spacious and far more refined than before. It offers dual-tone interiors, a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, and air conditioning, features the old Omni never dreamed of. There's also ample storage space, foldable rear seats, and improved legroom, making it ideal for both family use and commercial needs. Performance and safety. Under the hood, the Omni 2025 is expected to be powered by a fuel-efficient 1.0L petrol engine, with a CNG variant likely to follow. It meets the latest BS6 Phase 2 norms and offers smoother, more reliable performance. For safety, the van now includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure. Conclusion: a smart, practical comeback. With a perfect mix of heritage and innovation, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni is more than just a revival. It's a smart, practical choice for a new generation. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more updates, test drives, and reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.